The US just held its first ever crypto week, and it could change everything. Last week, something major happened in Washington. The U.S. House of Representatives launched a full week focused on crypto policy, known as Crypto Week. Three massive pieces of legislation were up for debate. 1. The Genius Act, a bill to regulate stablecoins at the federal level. 2. A new market structure bill, which would define how tokens are issued and traded legally in the U.S. 3. And a bill to ban a federal CBDC, a government-controlled digital currency. Why does this matter? Because these laws could bring clarity and stability to the U.S. crypto market, something investors and developers have been begging for. And the rejection of a CBDC, that's a strong signal. Lawmakers want a free market approach to digital money, not full government control. This could be a turning point for global crypto regulation, and it's happening right now. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any crypto news.